I'm Dr. Churan from the Animal Clinic of South Elgin, and I'm going to give you some information about the importance of spaying or neutering your pet. The reason that we do that is for their health. Spaying and neutering generally leads to a longer life for your pet, as well as there are some tumors which are caused by those hormones, which we prevent that. Female dogs, the incidence of breast cancer is directly related to the number of heat periods. So the more heat periods your dog has, the higher her incidence of breast cancer, which in dogs is almost always malignant. This can be completely avoided with spaying. When we spay your dog or your cat before their first heat cycle, the incidence of breast cancer is virtually zero. In male dogs, certain anal tumors are very exposed to the testosterone hormone, as well as prostate problems. And again, neutering your pet, which is what we call for a male, the surgery is called neutering, and that is completely avoided by dogs who are neutered at a young age. We recommend spaying and neutering at 6 months of age. We feel that the dogs are old enough to handle the anesthetic, and they're mature enough to have developed their breed characteristics at that point in time. When we do spay or neuter, we use gas anesthetic. This is our surgical procedure room that we're in right here. We do have gas anesthetic. We have electronic heart and blood pressure monitoring, which we use on each procedure. We have an oxygen pumped in throughout the building that we can plug our anesthesia machine into, as well as gas evacuation so that we don't have any extra gas anesthetic throughout the room. This is our stainless steel surgical table, which is heated for the comfort of your pet. When animals are anesthetized, they can lose body heat. And that's, I think, even more important for our tinier pets, very small dogs or cats. It's very easy for them to lose body heat on a cold surface when they're anesthetized. So this is a heated surface so that it's much more comfortable, and we feel that the pets have a more comfortable surgery as well as a comfortable warm-up. We also have a recovery area, and we have heated cages so that when the pets are waking up, they're waking up on a heated surface, which is warm, and we find that our pets are so much happier, so much more comfortable waking up in that versus on a cold surface. And obviously our goal is for it to be a comfortable procedure. The long-term health benefits are known, and obviously we also want to deal with the psychological benefits. Male dogs, as they mature, the testosterone kicks into their system, and many of them will become dog aggressive. They become leg lifters to urinate, which is a territory marking behavior, but not very convenient for people, for us to have as pets, if they're lifting their leg to mark the kitchen table leg or the corner of your bedspread. So we want to prevent those behaviors because it's way easier to prevent problems than it is to solve them. Once your dog has decided that it doesn't like other male dogs, changing his mind can be very difficult. I have some people tell me that they are concerned about neutering their pet because they don't want their pet to change. What I am going to tell you is that what will change your dog is if you don't neuter them. Because when they are a puppy, they have wonderful personality, they like everyone, they haven't developed any hormonal behaviors. If we don't neuter them, then they become sexually mature, and that's when these hormonal behaviors develop, and that's what's going to change your dog. So if you like your puppy, if you like your kitten, you like their personality, that's the way to keep their personality, is to neuter them. So it's good for their health, it's good for their behavior, and it's a better pet. So all of us, I think, want a pet that's going to be a good part of our family, and pets are going to be a much better part of our family if they're neutered and then we don't have to deal with those behavioral issues.